Hi, my name's Ben, and in this video I'm going to share with you a full demo of our WinOLS Bot software. This is an add-on for our dealer portal software, and this is used to fully automate your file service. It can decode slave files, it can then use your WinOLS database to build the tuning solution, and it can use 100% matches and also build files from non-100% matches. Then it will obviously re-encode the file if it's for a slave, and then return it to the portal to send back to your client. So the bot is a very powerful bit of software. It's going to run on a PC that's actually in your office, that has WinOLS loaded, that has your database imported into it, and the bot is able to support and decode slave files from most of the major tool manufacturers like your Alien Text, your Auto Tuners, DIM Sports, the CMD, B Flash, MPPS, PCM Flash, and also Magic Motorsport. Now, before I show you the demo, I wanted to just clarify what this software isn't intended for. So if you're a slave and you're watching this video is not for you. This product does not replace your master. It's not suitable if you don't have a WinOLS database or if you've never used WinOLS. And so it's definitely not for slave use. This product is perfect for masters who are running a file service and you want to automate the decoding of slave files, the building of your tuning solutions, and then the return, the fully automated return of those to your clients. So if you have any concerns over the reliability of the bot, it's been tested to absolute destruction. It's in full production right now. And amongst all of my clients that are using the bot at the time of making this video, it's processed over 27,471 files without a single issue. So now I'm going to show you the full process from a dealer uploading a file to it being passed over to the bot, decoded, and then imported into WinOLS before the tuning solution is built, and then re-encoded and then returned to the portal and to the slave. So I'm logged into the client side of our dealer portal software here. I'm going to press upload to upload a new file. We're going to upload this slave file just in here, and we're going to select an Audi A1. Just get through this list. Select this ECU, put in test as the registration, an ECU file as a B Flash bench slave, and we're going to tick that box there, and we're going to upload this as a stage 1. So this solution should be fully automated because we have a rule set within the bot to actually return a solution when it finds a match for a stage 1 in our database. So we're going to press submit. We're going to let that go into the queue, and we're going to hop over to the bot window here now, and you can see that already the bot has received the file. It's opened up the B Flash app and is now going to find the file on the computer for us to just go and decode here. This is decoding, importing into WinOLS, doing its work. If we nip back over to the, oh, there it is already, it's finished and is now re-encoding. So you can see there, it's re-encoding, it's about to complete. So what we're going to do is nip to the admin side. We're going to go and look at the bot panel. We can see this is our project here. It's in post-processing. So that means it's re-encoding. Wait for finish means that the project has been completed by the bot and is now waiting for the portal to pick it back up. So before it does that, it can take up to a minute. I'm going to nip in to see the actual file here. We're still waiting for finish. It can take up to a minute for the portal to pick it back up once the bot's actually finished it. And we can see our timeline here. We've just uploaded the file. The credit balance has been adjusted. It's been handed over to the bot for processing. And now we're just waiting. So the project has been picked back up. Now it's waiting to be archived. And if we see here, it's been matched with stage 1 and the file is completely ready for the user to download. Now, if we quickly go back to the client side, we can see we have this notification here. If we click on this, it's going to take us straight to the file. We can see exactly what we've just uploaded and the entire process is there. So that is the fully automated solution without your involvement whatsoever. Okay, let's move on now next to our part automation demo. So in this file that we're going to upload, we don't have actually any rules set within the bot to deal with this order type. So we're going to get to see how you will be able to select a version to apply the changes from. So I've pre-filled all this form here. We're going to do Mercedes Sprinter. This is a KES 3 slave. I'm going to go next and hit no tuning and do an add blue off. Going to hit submit. And then we are going to see this go into the queue. Let's hop over to the admin side. We can see it's pre-processing, which means it's busy decoding the slave file. Let's go to the bot window. It's just imported it into WinOLS. It's figuring out what it can do with this. Okay, let's go back to the admin side. We can see that we've got version not found, which means there is no rule found to tell the bot what to automatically return. So we then get a list of all these various solutions that we can use to actually build the file from. So in this case, we're going to select this 93% add blue off, and then we're going to press apply. So if we go back over to the bot window, we'll see now it's about to see what it can do with this file. So we'll speed this up just a little bit so we're not just sat waiting to watch paint dry. So we've got 291 of 291 data areas can be imported. So this is going to be successful. If we get an areas mismatch, it would let us know, and then it wouldn't obviously complete and be able to return the file. Okay, we're now saving. And let's go back to the admin panel. So we can see post-processing, it's re-encoding the file for the slave. And meanwhile, whilst it's doing that, let's hop in and actually see it go back within the inbox itself. So this is our project, still in post-processing, still re-encoding. We can see everything here. Now we've got wait for finish. So that's completed. We must wait probably a minute or so for the file to actually be picked up from the portal and then return to the client. Okay, so now it's complete. And if we head on back to the client side, we'll see we've got a notification. We can take a look at the file here. Perfect, so that took a total of 4 minutes to build out, and we have the solution there. So the last thing I'll show you is how we actually set the rules up in the bot to completely automate the process of returning files. If we go into settings, you can see we have order types, tunings, options, and order rules. So in order types, we set basically all of the different types of orders that we would like to completely automate. And we have a versions box to basically determine what project names are okay to use to actually be able to build the files out from. So you can name as many versions as you like in here. And then in order rules, we basically code up all of the different combinations of orders to the order types that we've created in this section that I've just showed you. So we can see a type 1 is just a stage 1, and it's okay to return any project that's named as per the following. And so then if we look here, we can see we have the stage 1 with optional speed limit to disable is coded to this type 1. So that's how we can tell the bot to fully automate specific order types. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing behind the scenes on how this bot software works. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to message me on WhatsApp and I'll do my best to help you.